Goodness, I think we got the hiccups. Hope we can get through the news. Goodness, hiccup. I know we're in the country, but, goodness, hiccups. What a shock. I think we have to go out and jump in front of a road train or something.
Instant news bulletin. Instant news bulletin.
Good evening, it's 6:30 and it's 92 degrees. Steve Jenkins with the news. A faulty rocket has been blamed for the failure of a French satellite experiment at the weekend. The satellite, which was launched from French Guiana, was to have studied the distribution of hydrogen in the atmosphere, and its failure could mean a setback to the entire Europe's space program. The American Senate has overwhelmingly approved President Nixon's nomination of Mr. Lewis Powell to give one of the two vacancies on the nine-man Supreme Court. Mr. Powell is a former president of the American Bar Association.